Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video.
7 remedies to get rid of milk spots overnight. How to get rid of Milia naturally. Have you heard about Milia? They're small, white bumps on your skin which usually appear around your nose, cheeks or eyes and simply don't disappear. They're also known as milk spots and are quite common in babies. However, they can also appear in adults and happen as a result of keratin getting trapped under the skin and small, white bumps appear. Milk spots can often happen after some skincare treatment like laser treatments, steroid creams, sun exposure, burns or blisters. If you have milk spots, don't be alarmed as they're nothing serious and have no unwanted side effects on your overall health. They may not pose a health risk, but they are still unpleasant to look at and many people would like to get rid of them. Luckily for you, there are a few very effective natural remedies you can use to get rid of milk spots, and we'll share with you a couple of them. 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is an excellent remedy for milk spots. Grind oatmeal with a spice grinder. You can grind a larger amount and store it for later use. For this remedy you'll only need a tablespoon of oatmeal. Mix the oatmeal with a few drops of water until everything is combined into a thick paste. 2. Steam treatment. Steaming is a simple technique but a rather effective one when it comes to milk spots. Boil some water and pour it in a small basin. Position your face over the steaming water and cover your head with a towel so that the steam is focused on your face. Let the steam open your pores and perform this treatment every day for best results. 3. Honey. Honey is a remedy for everything, including milk spots. Just apply some honey on your milk spots every day, but make sure the honey you use is organic. It's the best one for this use. Leave the honey on your face for about 20 minutes and rinse your face with some warm water. 4. Tomato juice. Tomato juice is also an effective natural remedy against milk spots. Grab 1 tomato, cut it into half and rub its juice over the milk spots on your face. Leave it on for about 20 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. For best results, repeat the treatment twice a week. Castor oil is an excellent oil with a plethora of health benefits. It's mostly used for hair growth and eyebrows and eyelashes thickening, but it's effective against milk spots as well. Combine 1 teaspoon of the oil with 1 teaspoon of olive oil and apply the mixture directly on the milk spots.